I'm here at 376 Bellhaven. It is November 11th, 2024, 5:05 in the afternoon. Going to simulate an attempt to repair this wind damaged shingle here. I brought some shingles, but these happen to be IKO, so they're not a standard size. So I'm just going to simulate. I'm going to take this old shingle out, put it back in, and see what the other shingles look like. There's a big hip roof. It's only being ventilated by a little bit of ridge vent and these box vents. I believe the roof's around 9 years old, but with inadequate ventilation, these shingles are in a little bit worse shape than they should be otherwise. But see what happens trying to repair the shingles. Alright, gonna be lifting these shingles up high enough to get these nails out. See, in all these, we got a little bit of fiberglass mat transfer. Nails pulled through. That shingle is torn. So in repair, obviously I'll be putting a new shingle, just simulating the repair. Put this shingle back. Gonna be 1.25 inch roofing nails, roofing hatchet. I'm gonna be lifting these high enough to get this perpendicular to the roofing surface. Let's see, is that it? Gotta put the shingle on. Right. So now that the repair is done, these shingles will be remaining. So let's check these out. Got a fiberglass mat transfer on the bottom. So existing shingle has now had a chunk torn out of the bottom. Same here. See the fibers hanging on to the adhesive. Not on this part, but on this part, mat transfer. So then looking at these shingles, I'm at the key. This one right here is broke. So that's torn all the way through. So that shingle is to remain. You can feel on this edge isn't torn yet, but it's very nearly so. Rest of the shingles, you know, some granule loss going on. This shingle's got it the worst, and this one, there's a lot of granule loss on this. So we've got a torn shingle here. It's pretty, a lot of granule loss, pretty creased all across. Same thing with this shingle here, all the way across. See a lot of granule loss. The other shingles, some granule loss on this one as well. So some granule loss. Fiberglass matting is fractured on this one, fractured on this one. So I would say this is a failed attempt. Next windstorm, pick that up. It's gonna blow this shingle off. So it's not gonna bring this roof back to pre-walls condition.